Welcome to another day of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we are going to make stir-fried beef with broccoli and bell peppers with flank steak. I'm doing a stir-fried with a flank steak. This is the flank steak that I've already washed in vinegar, and I rinsed it a couple of times in cold water. Now I'm going to rinse this out, and then we gotta marinate the flank steak. This is a quick and easy recipe. This is the steak that I've washed and cleaned. That's what I'm going to marinate. Now, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my marinade. A half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, a few pinches of crushed red pepper, since I don't like it that hot. But if you like it hot, then you will use a teaspoon. This is the ginger and the garlic, what I already have chopped up. This is the onions and the peppers and scallions already cut up. And this is the broccoli florets, what I'm going to use. But first of all, we got to marinate it for half an hour. I'm going to add the black pepper, the low sodium soy sauce, the oyster sauce, few dashes of sesame oil, the ginger and garlic minced, now we're going to take it and mix it up. This is the marinade for the flank steak. You take it and you cover it up and you put it in the refrigerator for about half an hour to marinate. So we'll be back in a half an hour with the next step. Well, it has been a half an hour since the flank steak was marinating in the refrigerator. Now the next step is, let me take it out the refrigerator. This is it. Put it here. Now the next thing is we're going to put 3 tablespoons of canola oil in a wok. Medium-high heat. Okay, we're gonna let the wok get hot. Pour off the excess marinade. Okay, now this is the next step. We're gonna let it cook. We let this saute up. Then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, it's browning almost on each side, the flank steak. See? We cook it till for at least 3 minutes or until it's brown on all the sides. So, see? See? Now, I think it's brown on all the sides. And now let me show you the next step. We get a bowl. And we take it out. Take the flank steak out. This is the flank steak. Now, the next step, we'll put this over here. The next step is turn it down just a little bit. We don't want it to burn. Okay. We add the broccoli florets. And we add the bell peppers, the colorful bell peppers, the different colors of bell pepper I have. Red, orange, green, onion, scallions. Okay. Now we let this saute. We let that saute. Well, let's take a look and see how the vegetables are cooking. They're stir frying quite well in the wok. See? Stirring the stir-fried beef with broccoli and peppers. Okay, this is what we're doing. Now, the next step is we put the beef back in the pan. Put the beef back in the wok. Mix it all up. See, a stir fry is a quick and easy recipe to make. Now, the next step we got to do is, this is the sauce I made to put in the stir fry. It's the same ingredients I use for the marinade. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce, red pepper flakes, black pepper, garlic crushed, ginger, and oyster sauce. Now you pour this. See? We're going to cover it here for 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes now with the cover on. So let's open it and see. Yes, looks delicious. It's ready. This is a quick, simple meal when you come home all tired from work or shopping or whatever you're doing, and you come home and you're tired and you want something to eat. This is a quick, easy dish. You take out the wok and you make a stir fry. Whatever you want to stir fry. You can stir fry chicken, shrimp, whatever. Make a quick stir fry. Whatever vegetable you have in the refrigerator, you can use. Now we're going to try it. Look at it. See? Look at it bubbling up. Okay. I made some brown rice earlier. So we're going to try some and see how it came out. Let's try a little bit. This is the brown rice I made earlier. Let's take up a little bit and try some. You see? Beef and broccoli with bell pepper. Stir-fried beef and broccoli with bell peppers. There you go. Fini. So now we're going to try a little bit. There's the brown rice. Let's take up a little bit. This is the beef, broccoli, and bell peppers. Let's see how this came out. Let's try some. Get a little bit of rice. Let me try the pepper. Mm. Mm. Not too hot, not too spicy. Just right. You see, I didn't add no salt or anything because the soy sauce have salt in it. The oyster sauce have salt in it. So we didn't need any salt added. See? Look at it. Here you have it. Stir-fried flank steak with broccoli and bell peppers. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. I will see you in the next video. Bye.